What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cosmic Chick. So today what it's actually this evening. So this evening what I'm about to do is cook some oysters. And I'm going to be showing you how to open them up. So here's the oyster. I like to rinse mine off first. They have a lot of extra grit on them. And this is the pointy side. This is the wide side. I'm going to be inserting my tool into the the narrow side. So let's see. And I'm just using this small knife. I can't find my screwdriver, or I would have used my flathead screwdriver to put it in here and crack it. And guys, I am not an expert at this. I buy oysters a few times a year and eat them at home, and my little methods have worked. And I've been telling myself that I'm gonna get a oyster shucker, but it always seems to slip my mind.
You got this one open pretty fast.
Because once I get my little mojo going, that's all I need.
Like you did at that bowling alley.
Good ninja.
It's good, man. Can I do something?
What?
You wanna see? They're alive right now, and we're gonna eat them for dinner. Eat. I mean, that's how I wanted to do. Eat this oyster right there.
So, guys, I'm going to show you how to get the tastiest crab legs. Really simple, really quick, and easy. So I'm going to be using this Zatarains shrimp and crab oil, and you're only going to need just a little pinch of this. This is what's going to give it the flavor mainly. And then I'm going to top it with some Old Bay. So literally, like I said, you only need a tiny bit of this. And I would say almost a cupful. If you use too much, it's gonna have way too much flavor, almost too salty to eat. Let's just do a little bit more. Okay. And I'm gonna put my stove on medium. Sprinkle some Old Bay over the crab legs. And I'll do a little parsley as well. And then I'm going to add just a tiny bit of water. Okay. Mix it all around, and it should look something like that. And then I'm just going to cover it with a lid and let it cook. Alright, you guys, that was so good, so tasty and yummy, and I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a big old thumbs up. Always remember to hit the bell so that you don't miss a video when I upload. But anyways, I hope